In this guide, we're going over how you can enhance the Uranium Pickaxe here in the Forge in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, obviously, go ahead and get your pickaxe from the little miner over here. Interact with him, get your pickaxe, and then from here, you need to go ahead and make your way over to the enhancer. Interact with the enhancer NPC, place your pickaxe down, and of course from here, you can choose that uranium pickaxe specifically, or really any of them, but you use coins and ores like uranium and iron to upgrade it, and enhancing will increase the mining power and luck, but it will not let you break higher tier blocks, so just keep that in mind. You're just going to need a better pickaxe for that. Now, essentially, once you enhance, you can add runes for extra buffs at the rune maker over here. And you can farm these runes from enemies and then go back to the enhancer and equip them. But most players don't usually fully max out this pickaxe. They just upgrade it enough and then save resources for higher tier tools. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, the process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.